What's going on, everyone? So I'm going to bring everyone a brief little tutorial on STA-BIL and ethanol-free gas. So what we have here is STA-BIL for storage for fuel. Now what I'm dealing with specifically is small engines, which is going to be push mower lawn mowers, tractors, weed whackers, leaf blowers, any kind of small engine. All right, so I've got two 5-gallon gasoline jugs here. This STA-BIL here, as you can see by the directions, use 1 ounce per every 2.5 gallons. So we're gonna fill up, just squeeze, puts it into here. I believe this is somewhere around a couple ounces. I believe it's about 2.5 per that piece there. So, and then we're gonna go get ethanol free. I'll show everyone how that works at Wawa. All right. All right, the top line up here, we're just gonna squeeze. The top line is 1 ounce. So we're almost on it there, as you can see. Again, a little bit more isn't gonna hurt it. I put it in ahead of time. It's 1 ounce. All right. 2 ounce. So we said 1 ounce to every 2.5 gallons. So we've got 2 ounces in there at this point, so that's got us good for 5 gallons. All right, we're gonna move over to this one now. The little guys are wound. They're excited to go to Tractor Supply today and to go get gas. Do this guy here too. Always do this ahead of time. Unless you're going through gas once every couple of weeks on these jugs, which I don't, treat it and do ethanol free all day long on these. It cannot hurt it. So all right, next step, we're gonna go over to Wawa. I'm gonna show you the separate hose and ethanol free pump that we have at Wawa. And now I don't know what state you guys are from, but just check with your local gas stations. They should have it. Some don't, some do. All right, so it is this easy, guys, right here, the blue. All right, and it says right here, see the blue? Ethanol free gasoline. All right, $4.09. You see your other prices there. So it's a below super. All right, it's even below diesel. All right, but that's what you want, ethanol free, and you want that blue one. Now, as you can see, completely separate hose system. So when you do the E-free, you have a completely separate hose. So it's not like you have unleaded in there first in the hose. Actually, in the hose, you have it's only ethanol free in this hose, which is good. I know some pumps you'll see, depending on where you're at, might have unleaded that pumps through the hose, and it might be sitting in the hose. Be careful of that. This one has its own independent hose, which is great. So ethanol free alongside your STA-BIL is going to be exactly what you need for small engines. All right, should grab our E-free here. Make sure to tap that guy. That's what we want. Get into there. Okay. Pump it right in. That's all there is to it. Can't beat it. All right, once again, just to summarize, remember, gasoline typically starts breaking down after a couple weeks, so having the E-free option, the ethanol-free, is huge, and run the STA-BIL parallel with the E-free for your small engines. Unless you're going through gas within a week or two, a couple weeks, even in less than a month, I would say you're fine. But once you start creeping up on a couple weeks, after a month or two, I would highly recommend ethanol-free alongside the STA-BIL with both of those for your small engine. Anything small engine, tractors, even zero turns, I do it in everything. Otherwise, you're gonna find yourself cleaning carburetors all the time or replacing them. So again, ethanol free right there, can't beat it. All right, if you guys aren't already subscribed, please give a subscribe. Hopefully this helps everyone out. It's definitely helped me out. That's all I'm doing with all my small engines anymore. Alrighty, take care.
Pretty cool. They're like little teddy bears.
What do you think, guys?
Just watch his eyes.
Yeah, be real gentle, right?